And good morning, Math Masters, you fabulous fourth graders of Virtual Room 502. Time for Eureka Math in the Morning with Mr. Leggett and friends. Let's see who's going to show up today. Let's start off with, this is our problem set, but we're going to do it on a whiteboard and marker, a scratch board and pencil. And what we're doing is we're comparing fractions between the numbers 1 and 2. Let's see what fractions we're going to compare. We're going to start with 4/3. And then try 11/6, and then 17/12. The reason why I'm not doing this on the problem set is because I want more room. I need more room. So let's prove that these are greater than 1. Well, I know that if the numerator is larger than the denominator, it's greater than 1. How do we know this? Take a look at this math magic. 3/3 plus 1/3. Did I mention we are indeed copycats? So 3/3 is 1, but we need to add another 1/3 on. So this would equal 1 and 1/3. Let's go over here. We'll do 6, 6, and we need to get to 11/6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it's greater than 1. It's 1 and 5/6. Over here, we have 12 twelfths. 17 minus 12 is 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17. That would give us 17/12, or 1 and 5/12. All right. Let's draw our first number line to determine where we're going to put 4/3. We're going to start at 1. 1 1/2 is our benchmark, and 2 is our other. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is break this up into thirds, all right? So we have 1 and 1/3, 1 and 2/3, and then we would have 1 and 3/3, or 2. So this starts out as 3/3, right? And then we go 1 and 1/3. And I could label this 1 and 1/3. Got it? Good. Now you don't need to use different colors. I'm just using some different colors so this hopefully will be easier for you to understand. Let's look at 11/6. We have 6/6 plus 5/6. Okay. I'm going to put my 6/6 down here to show that it's 1. But now I have to get to 5/6. Like I think Cole Acosta said yesterday, just split down the middle here, and that should do the trick. And I think he's absolutely right. So here would be 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, right? Right? 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6. So 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6 are 2. 1 and 6/6 would be 2. But we're going to plot this one right here as 1 and 5/6, or 11/6. 6/6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How about that? Now we move on to the 12ths, the 17/12. How are we going to get to 12ths? We're going to put some marks in between each of these to show 12ths. Watch what happens. 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12 are 1/2, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12, 10/12, 11/12. 1 and 1/12, 1 and 2/12, 1 and 3/12, 1 and 4/12, 1 and 5/12, 1 and 6/12, 1 and 7/12, 1 and 8/12, 1 and 9/12, 1 and 10/12, 1 and 11/12, 1 and 12/12 are 2. Okay, and where do we wind up? We wound up at 17/12 up here. So I'm going to put 12/12 down here, right? 13/12, 14/12, 15/12, 16/12, 17/12. So this would equal, and put a little arrow here, 1 and 5/12. 12ths, or just a little bit than 1 1/2. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see that a little better. My purple. Just thought it'd be kind of neat to do them in different colors. I don't know why. So here's 4/3, right? Here's 17/12, and there's 11/6. What's the greatest number here? Well, the further you go to the right on the number line, the greater number it is. So 1 5/6 is greater than 1 5/12. 1 5/12 is greater than 1 1/3. Let's not go anywhere yet. Let's do some tape diagrams to prove this, because I think tape diagrams show a better job than number lines. That's just my opinion. So we're going to start off with the thirds. So 1 1/3 are the 4/3. 1/3, 2/3, 3 4/3. 3/3 equals 1. Right? Right? Yes, right. So we could see that we'd have 1 here plus 1/3, or 1 1/3. Let's take a look at 1 5/12, which was 17/12, right? So we're going to make a lot of marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, because we have 17/12. Now, I know the 12ths, 12/12 is 1. 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12, 10/12, 11/12, and 12/12, right? So that's one whole right there. 12/12, one whole. But what do we have left over? We have 5/12, right? So 17/12 would equal 1 5/12. Finally, let's do 11/6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. What's going to equal 1 in this? 6 of these will equal 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This equals one whole, right? 6 of them, one whole. 6, 6 equals one whole. 1, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6 equals one whole. But then we have a total of 11/6. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. So we could see here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11/6 equals 1 5/6. Okay, we're going to continue practicing this in our next video. Hope you like that one. Hopefully we're getting the hang of this. It's a lot of math. And go take a little break, run around the house once, do some jumping jacks, do some sit-ups. Guess it's raining up there. You shouldn't be running around the house, outside the house. Go tell mom and dad you love them. Feed the dog, pet the cat, check on baby brother or sister, and we'll see you back in 2 or 3 minutes.